Hi everybody, how are you guys all doing today? I hope that you guys are all doing amazing. My name is TracEy and you're watching me here at TracEy Monster on YouTube. You can also find me at TracEyMonsterSavings on Etsy as well as on Instagram, where you'll find a ton of really super fun money savings challenges that will help those of you who are looking to add to your sinking funds, or for those of you who are looking to pay off debt, or for those of you who are looking to save money for that next big purchase that you have coming up in your life. But before I get started in today's video, I always like to start my videos off by saying thank you to each one of you for taking the time to click on that play button and giving me the opportunity to share these types of videos with you. So thank you so much for being here today, and thank you so much for being a part of my YouTube community. With that being said, let's go ahead and dive on into today's video, because I am finally ready to unstuff this big fat piggy right here. This is called the Steampunk Cogs and Gears Savings Challenge, where I could save $1,500 or more. And guys, can I tell you, I saved more than $1,500 inside of this fat little piggy. It's just absolutely stuffed to the gills, guys. I am so excited to finally share with you guys the unstuffing for this video. I've been filling this little bad boy up for the last year in 2024 and is finally ready to be unstuffed. So without any further ado, let's go ahead and get unstuffing. If you are interested in these types of savings challenges, I do have a handful of these types of albums in my Etsy shop. Definitely check it out at TracEyMonsterSavings. I have them in different variations where you can purchase them digitally and create them at home, or I have a different listing where if you want them to come to you either fully assembled or in prints only, or laminated only, or laminated with the rings only. It's really up to you how you prefer to receive your savings album. But this one here is, again, called the Steampunk Cogs and Gears Savings Challenge, where you can save $1,500 or more. And in this case, I was able to stuff and more. So, for those of you who are new that haven't seen my videos previously, the amount that I will be unstuffing today out of this beauty is $3,113. So absolutely amazing. It'll be nice to be able to get all of this money into our savings account until my husband and I sit down and we decide what we are going to do with all of the funds that I was able to save all last year, and where we will be allocating all of those funds. But in the meantime, with this album, let's go ahead and unstuff it. You will notice, for those of you who are new, that there are these bubbles with increments on them, number increments. And so this page here, this sleeve is ones, so that's $1 bills. These are fives, so that's $5 bills. These ones here are tens with $10 bills, 20s with $20 bills. This is a variation page with a variation of bills ranging from $1 through $20. And then this one is just bubbles that were empty, so then I can fill in amounts on my own. On each one of these pages, there are a total of 36 bubbles. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, and 36 bubbles. Okay, so let's go ahead and take it from the top. So with the $1 sleeve, there should be all $1 inside of the little pocket. So let's go ahead and give this a count. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, and 36 ones. Okay, so we will put this right up here, make sure that it is in the camera frame. I will bring this notepad over, and I will write for the quantity for the $1 bills, 36 quantity, and $36. And then that way is when I go to the bank teller to go deposit this money, all I have to do is just take this little sheet off, and I turn the sheet in with the money. Okay. All right, so we will put that right there temporarily. Let's go ahead and move over to the $5 bills. So this is the $5 sleeve, taking out the $5 bills, a total of 36 bills. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, and 36 bills. So I will write that down right there. And 36 times $5 each is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, $180. So I will write $180 right there. Okay, perfect. So we will put that there. So $5 are unstuffed. Let's move over to the 10 sleeve. So these are $10. Total of 36. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, and $36. All right, let's go ahead and make sure that there's $360 here. So we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 200. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 300. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, $360. So I will write that there on that pad. Okay, perfect. All right, so that will go right here. All right, let's move over to the 20 sleeve, which is $20. Again, 36 bills. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, and $36. All right. So let's go ahead and add this up with 36 bills. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 200, 20, 40, 60, 80, 300, 20, 40, 60, 80, 400, 20, 40, 60, 80, 500, 20, 40, 60, 80, 600, 20, 40, 60, 80, $720. So $720 worth of 20s. So that's awesome. All right, so now let's go ahead and move on to the variation page. I'm gonna make sure all those bills fit in there. Moving over to the variation page, just go ahead and calculate how much I should have in savings on this pocket here. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 ones. Then we have 5, 10, 15, 20 in fives. We have 10, 20, 30, 40 in tens. And then we have 20, 40, 60, 80 in 20s. Let's go ahead and turn the sleeve. We have 4 ones. We have 5, 10, 15, 20 in fives. Then we have 10, 20, 30, $40 in tens. Hopefully you can see that. There's not much of a glare there. Let me see if I could, well, no, I think that's what we're going to get. Okay, and then we have 20, 40, 60, 80 in 20s. So that gives us $292 right there. Let's see if you can see that without the glare of the light. All right, so now let's go ahead and give this a count. This glare is a little too much, I think, from my light. Let's see if I can adjust that just a little bit. Okay. All right, so let's go ahead and give this a count. Let me go ahead and sort my bills, make sure that they are in proper order for the counting here. Give me just a moment while I sort these out. Tens, fives, and ones. Okay, so we have 20s, tens, fives, and ones. Okay, so we should have $292. Okay, so we have 20, 40, 60, 80, $100. 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, so that's $200. 10, 20, 30, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, and $92. So $292. Okay, so now let me go ahead and put all of these bills where they're supposed to go here on this pile really quick. So the 10s will go there, 5s will go there, and then we have the 1s going in over here, 20s, 10s, and then the rest of the 20s. Okay, so that is that sleeve. The variation page is complete. All right, so this one here is our last page, and this one had the empty bubbles where I wrote in the amounts. And on this one, let's go ahead and give it a count, all of the increments that I wrote in, so then we can see what the total should be inside of this one sleeve alone. Okay, so taking it from the top, from the left to the right, we have $50, $50, $2, $2, $3, 2, 1, 1, 52, 104, 103, 104, 2, 1, 2, 1, 4, 1, 25, 79, and then we have 95, we have 91, 70, and 680. So we should have a total of $1,525. So let me go ahead and write that down, $1,525. And I forgot to write down the ones from the variation page. The variation page, as we remember, was $292. Okay, so 1525 is how much I should have inside of this. Guys, inside of this one envelope alone is how much this entire savings challenge with the increments on the pages should come to. So the $1,500, everything in the plus is inside of here, and that's crazy that I was able to save over $1,500 inside of this one sleeve alone. $1,525, guys. That's crazy. Okay, so let me make sure that all of these bills are in order, which they are. Okay, perfect. Okay, so let's go ahead and give it a count and make sure that I have $1,525 in here. That's $1,525. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So that's $1,200 in 100s. We have 51, 50, so $150. Then we have 20, 40, $40 in 20s. We have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, $70 in 10s. We have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35 in 5s. And then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and $30 in ones. So that's $1,525 on here, guys. That is crazy. Oh my gosh. Absolutely insane that I was able to save that much in that sleeve, and that the sleeve actually held up to its capacity without falling apart. So that is true quality that I give you guys when you purchase these albums, guys. Okay, so let's go ahead and put the 20s, the 10s there. The 20s will go right here. I'm going to move this over out of the way for just a moment because I want to be able to fit in the 20s, or I'm sorry, the 50s and the 100s. So here are the 50s and here are the 100s going in right there. And then there. Oh my gosh, it looks like a good, what do you call that, thumbnail for this video. Okay, so now let's go ahead and take these totals that I just wrote down. Those were not 50s and those were not just 100s. And then I will mark those ones out as well. Okay, so let's go ahead and add all of this up. And if it all comes to the total that I said at the very beginning of this video, it should equal $3,113 because that's how much I notated here on my register throughout the course of 2024. That's how much I said I should have inside of my album. So let's go ahead. Let me actually turn that there so we have the amount of how much we should have. Okay, so let's go ahead and take it to the top, take it from the top here. So we are going to add in $36, 180, 360, 720, 292, and then $1,525. And we have $3,113, guys, that we have right here in this album, now on this table, ready to go to the bank into our new savings account. So then we can figure out what we're going to do with this money. We will be investing it. We will be applying it to just different areas. So I am really, really excited. I don't know what those areas are because I've already unstuffed the 52-week money savings challenge that goes towards Christmas. And I've already done Save the Change. That's already been deposited. And now this one is the third challenge that I will be depositing. And my husband and I, like I said, we need to sit down and figure out where we are going to allocate these savings. This savings here will more than likely go towards a Roth IRA. We will split it up between the two of us. And we will basically put, let's see, $3,113 and then dividing that in half. So we'll be putting $1,556.50 into each one of our Roth IRAs, if that's what we end up doing. That's probably what we're going to end up doing just with this one challenge alone, but we will sit down together and we will figure that out. But anyways, guys, yeah, so this is the Steampunk Cogs and Gears, completely and totally emptied out. Look at how thin she looks now. And look at all of these bills. How much it comes to, guys. Look at this. Oh my gosh, let me get all of these bills because this is a happy, proud moment that we were able to do this for an entire year. You guys stuck with me all the way from the beginning. Oh my gosh, I cannot thank you guys all enough for your support here on this channel, watching me do this throughout the course of the year, and giving me the encouragement and just, motivating me along the way, just with your simple likes of the videos, the comments that you guys leave, you guys reaching out to me in private through Instagram or my Etsy shop, wherever it may be. I appreciate you guys all so much. You guys have no idea because you are the motivation for me to do these videos, for one. And so anyway, I'm so excited to be here. I mean, I gotta fan this out a little bit so we can see what it looks like. Guys, I'm marveling at all of the cash. But anyways, that is it for the day. Thank you so much for being with me all the way to the end. Again, if you are interested in these types of savings challenges, head on over to my Etsy shop at TracEy Monster Savings. I have a ton of different other savings challenges for you to choose from. So take a look, see what sparks your eye interest, and if it's within your budget, I would love your support in my Etsy shop. So again, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you are new to this channel, please subscribe. Don't forget to click that notification, whether you are new or you are a seasoned subscriber here on this channel. Make sure you click that notification bell. That way, whenever a new video goes up on this channel, then you will be given a notification. So anyways, everybody, I am off to the bank before they close on this Saturday. I am just so thankful for this year upcoming, and I am excited to share my next savings journey with you for the year. So anyways, have a great, wonderful rest of the day. Have a wonderful 2025 ahead. And until next time, stay safe, enjoy, have fun, and happy savings. Thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.